friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make egg dosa or Muttai Dosai. This is a very delicious and filling breakfast recipe. Very easy to make, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat an iron dosa tawa. To this add 1 ladle full of dosa batter. Spread it well. I've already made a video on how to make dosa batter. I'll be giving the video link in the description box. You can check on it. Spread it as thin as possible. Then to this drizzle 1 teaspoon of oil. Now to the center add an egg, a tablespoon of chopped onions, 1 teaspoon of chopped green chillies, 1/9 teaspoon of salt and 1/8 teaspoon of chilli powder. Mix it well. Then start to spread the egg mixture throughout the dosa. Again drizzle a teaspoon of oil. Let this cook for a minute in medium flame. It's been a minute and the egg dosa is almost done. At this stage sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves on top. Let this again cook for a minute. Now after a minute the dosa is crispy and the egg is well done. So let's now remove from the tawa. Now our delicious egg dosa is ready. Serve it nice and hot with a bowl of chutney and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, delicious and a quick breakfast recipe. So do try this egg dosa recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video. So please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.